Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. Now on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your lift support for your hood, your front hood lift support. This one has two, sometimes you only have one. Depending on the weight of your hood is depending on how many you have. So this one has two, so you're going to want to either support your hood up with a bar, or I've used a piece of paper towels and vice grips to clamp the other one to be able to replace this one, and then you would replace that. It'd be a good idea to replace both of them at the same time, so one's not overworking itself, right? And so you've got a left hand and a right hand one on this that you'll replace, and they do signify which side they're supposed to go on. Now, or you'll either support it one way or you have a helper to hold it up. So the way you're going to get these clips off, or get these off, is you take your small screwdriver, you can fit in here, or a pick tool, and all you got to do is pull it back a little bit. You don't need to pull the whole clip off, you just pull the clip back a bit, and then it will pop off because you just unlocked the clip there. Right. We did the same on the bottom. That is it removed, right? This one's quite good. So, and like I said, we have the left hand side one right here, and the other side is the right hand side. And so you're going to look inside here, and those are the clips that hold it on and into place. And when you're pulling this little tab, that little tab right there, you're just pulling it out a little bit so this come off the ball. So then when you're putting the new one back in, all you got to do is line it up, pull on it with some pressure, and the same way up on the top. You know, might have to push the hood up a little bit because it'll come down because you don't have the second one on. It's the same thing, that you just got to apply some pressure to get the lock, to lock it into place. And then release your bar that you use to hold it up, or your vice grips, and do the same on the other one. And that would be how you would replace your lift support on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.